Bitcoin, December 16th, 2025. Daily update. I'm going to refer first to the monthly time frame. We got definitely bullish action going up. And then, of course, the last month, back in November, big bearish candle. And then December, which is just the beginning of this month, we have a bearish candle forming. It's compressed, but it's a little bit bigger than it was yesterday. So we'll keep an eye on that. Weekly time frame. Price action above the 200 MA. That's a bullish sign. We got bearish action here. Switch down to this bottom. Then we have a wick here, and then we have a wick here. Each wick is higher than the last wick, so that is a bullish indication. Could this be the bottom or not? So we have to keep an eye on that, and we'll get a little bit more detail as we get to smaller time frames. Daily price action went down below the 200 MA, showing bearishness, which it has been doing for a while. So it's a cross down, dip down, and this could be an indication of down moment, or this could be an indication of an up moment because of the higher lows, and get lower highs here too. So it's going to come to a head as far as making a decision of whether it wants to pump back up over 200, or keep on going down and dropping down again to this level, 74, 73-ish. 1 hour time frame, completely flat. Little dip below the 200 MA on the last few minutes, or last few hours here. And then it pumped back up. Let's see if it gets back up here and it gets above the 200 MA. But mostly there's no way to determine which direction it's going to go right now. 15-minute. A little downward bias. Price action is below the 200 MA, showing bearishness, weakness. So that indication that in the immediate time right now, we're going down. Unless this price action busts above this 200 MA. Let's see how we go with the trend lines forming. Trend lines we got down here. The action line is going down, going down, going down, as it's following all these lower highs. Then you get the higher lows supported by these safety lines, green safety lines. Seems like we're getting some action going on here. This one may need to be adjusted a little bit here. Just going to follow it up. Okay, so a little adjustment there. Safety lines we got going on. But today we're going to have some news dropping at around 8:20 p.m., then 8:30, and 9:45. This will cause news with volatility. So this may be the catalyst that we need to pump up or pump down, back down. But right now is an uptrending. So we'll see if this is going to go up, maybe down a little bit more, and then pop up above this more immediate action line right here. Let's see what we got for the heat map. Heat map, we have some liquidations at 87.8-ish. So that's price is going to gravitate to this liquidation here. So that kind of confirms that maybe a little uptick is coming. And we'll see after the news gets released. And that's a summary for December 16th, 2025 for Bitcoin.